Hey guys, it's Cooper. We are about to do an unboxing and review on the Wilson NFL Gate Time. Of course I'm using, nope, that's not my favorite knife. This knife. Oh, how nice, it came open already. Wow, it's really slick. Show you guys the complete product in a minute. Oh, real football. Ooh, it's slick. It's okay. We'll break it. Woo! Now this is nice. I should use this for my phone. It's a kickoff tee. Look at that. It's pretty nice. And then a pump that doesn't even come with a needle. Alright guys, that'll do it for today. I will see you in the next video.